When Garmin dropped the Vivoactive 5 in 2023, it left a lot of people scratching their heads. Many thought the Venue series had taken over the Vivoactive's turf, but here we are. The Vivoactive 5 sports an AMOLED display, making it look more like its Venue cousin than ever. Garmin's commitment to both lines is clear, and I'm cool with that. There's no chatter yet about a Vivoactive 6, but honestly, I'm not too concerned. Now, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Notice the pattern? After the Vivoactive 4, Garmin seemed to go on a bit of a break. We waited 4 long years for the next installment, which felt like forever. I'm hopeful we won't be waiting until 2027 for the next version. A more optimistic guess would be a biannual release, putting the Vivoactive 6 in our hands by fall 2025. So still a long time to go. Now, let's dive into what I'd love to see in the Vivoactive 6. 2 case sizes. The Vivoactive 4 came in 2 sizes, a 45mm and a smaller 40mm 4S. But with the Vivoactive 5, Garmin simplified things with just a 42mm model. It'd be great if the Vivoactive 6 offered a choice again. Maybe a 42mm model with a 1.2-inch display and a bigger 45mm version for those who like a larger screen. ECG capability. The number 2 thing on my wish list? Garmin's Gen 5 Elevate heart rate sensor, or something even newer. The Gen 4 sensor on the Vivoactive 5 does a solid job, but it doesn't support the FDA-approved ECG app. That's a big deal for health tracking, so an upgrade here would be awesome. Bring back the Barometric Altimeter. While the Vivoactive 5 is packed with upgrades, it ditched some features from the Vivoactive 4, like the Barometric Altimeter. This means no tracking for things like floors climbed or stairs, which also affects sports modes like hiking, climbing, and skiing. Even though I'm not scaling snowy peaks, I think it's essential to bring back this feature. Workout animations. Workout animations were another casualty from the 4 to the 5. Originally introduced with the Vivoactive 4, these animations are now only on the pricier Venue series. They're super handy, especially for folks trying out new workouts. I'd love to see Garmin bring these animations back in the Vivoactive 6, maybe even with more detailed guidance for various exercises. More smart features. For $299, the Vivoactive lineup offers a lot: solid GPS, accurate heart rate tracking, sleep monitoring, and a colorful display. But when it comes to smart features, it falls short. The Venue 3 lets you take phone calls on your wrist, while the Vivoactive series doesn't even have a microphone or speaker. While LTE might be a stretch, adding Bluetooth phone call support and a voice assistant would make the Vivoactive 6 a more competitive smartwatch. So that's my list for the Vivoactive 6. What about you? What features would make you hit the upgrade button? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and catch you in the next one.